In the 14th century, life in Europe moved slowly, with small towns full of trade, farming, and community. But something unseen traveled across the seas, hidden among cargo and carried by rats. A deadly bacterium spread through flea bites, infecting humans with terrifying speed. Victims developed painful swellings, fever, and weakness, often dying within days. Fear spread faster than the disease, as entire towns began to collapse. Doctors tried to fight the illness using limited knowledge, often relying on superstition. Millions of lives were lost, making it one of the deadliest pandemics in history. But from tragedy came change, and labor became valuable, and society began to transform. The Black Death reshaped economies, beliefs, and the future of Europe. A catastrophe that changed history forever and taught humanity the importance of understanding disease.